Hello, my name is Catherine at Empowered Frontiers. I am here to do another review on a new product, Docu Profits. Now, what is Docu Profits? It is a system that based on a very simple function of uploading and downloading documents. Who would think that just by the mere fact that you can download any PDF document, you can make money from it? But it's true that you can do just that. So this Docu Profits is a first profit systems that just pays you for uploading files online. It does not require any writing, no traffic needed, no extra expenses. Do scroll through the sales page where there are backed up statistics and testimonials of money made and how individuals have profited from this product. So should you decide to buy this product, you will come to this members area. Now, this is the dashboard of Docu Profits. So if you were to click onto the training, right, it will tell you how to set up your account and grab your documents. You'll be taught how to set up your freelancing account. Then you'll be guided on how to get your documents, to upload the text of your documents into Docu Profits. A download here of the training that you can access to. Back to the dashboard, you can have different functions here. The training will just tells you how to do all this. Let me show you what the vendor is giving you as far as their bonuses. Bonus number 1 is $1,493 a day jumpstart. Bonus number 2 is the $0 to $500 a day in 30 days. Bonus number 3 is $486 per day set and forget blogging system. Bonus number 4 is 30-day list explosion income. Bonus number 5 is 60 seconds funnel profits mastery. Now, should you decide to buy this product, do click onto the link at the description below and you will come to this bonus page. You decide to get this product, do click onto any of the blue button here to get your copy of the software as well as your bonuses. There is the prices and upsells section. Front-end Docu Profits is $19 where you will get its software and training modules. However, if you go to the sales page, you will have $2 discount to claim, which makes the front end $17. There is the upsell number 1. Now, this will upgrade you to the unlimited features. It will take off all the limits and it will upgrade you to the ultra fast server as well as pro video trainings. I always suggest that you consider buying this unlimited upgrade because only then you will be able to experience its full potential as well as to gain the full benefit of what this product can do for you. Upsell number 2 is done for you features which you will gain, I'm sure, if you consider this particular upgrade. Upsell number 3 is Docu Profits Supercharged. Now, this will unlock the ability to exploit 3 more secret sites to upload your special documents. And this is another upgrade that you should consider because with this upgrade, you can actually exponentially increase your income. In upsell number 4 is the reseller's license where you can actually sell these Docu Profits as your own product and pocket all the commissions from it. With all the access of customer support and video tutorials and everything that you need, in terms of making this product sellable. Upsell number 5 is Passive Income Masterclass. Upgrade will equip members with the skills to generate passive hands-on income. Multiple streams of income masterclass, and this upgrade will equip the members with the skill to create multiple streams of income. Different upgrades actually suitable for different people's situation. So do consider, and I think that these upgrades are actually pretty good in helping you to have high returns of the product that you will be buying. Here are some of the benefits that you can consider. Now here there is a demo video, a very short one that you can have a look at. Now, should you decide to buy this product under my link, I will be giving you specifically selected bonuses to complement the purchase of Docu Profits. Bonus number 1 is how to be your own boss with a successful online business. So you will learn everything about being an entrepreneur online. Bonus number 2 is how to build your buyer list while profiting. Exclusive bonus number 3 will be how to easily password protect your files. Bonus number 4 will be a never to be missed course on how to get recurring income. Bonus number 5 will be all the bonuses from the vendor. Just to give you a recap as to what you will get with the purchase of Docu Profits, you'll get a brand new system, a monetization, a step-by-step training, 5 bonuses, and the support, all at the price of over $6,000, plus my 4 bonuses for the price of one time $19. No, it's not. It's $17 after the $2 discount. Plus, there is a special one-time offer on DocuProfits Turbocharged, which is going for under $10 during this launch. Do consider purchasing this product, as there are many avenues in this product and its upgrades to increase your income. Thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you at the next review.